My beloved friends, let us delve into the fascinating world of ancient beliefs and practices. In those times, people had many interesting ideas about the human body and its functions. They believed that the breath of life, the very essence of a person, could leave the body. They thought that dreams which we all experience showed them that there was something immaterial about being human. Now, when it comes to the smell of food and the spirits, our ancestors believed that ghosts enjoyed the smell of food. So during funeral feasts, they would offer food to appease the spirits. They would even say a magic formula while throwing a bit of food into the fire. It was their way of showing respect and honoring the departed. Breath was also a significant aspect of their beliefs. In cold climates, when people exhaled, their breath appeared as a cloud. This fascinated them, and they saw it as a sign of life. They believed that the breath of life was what made a person alive and different from the dead. This idea of breath and dreams led them to develop the concept of the human soul, which they called the ghost. Now, let's talk about medicine and remedies. Our ancestors had some interesting ideas about healing. They believed that certain human secretions, like blood and urine, had magical properties and could be used as medicines. They also discovered the benefits of certain roots and salts. They thought that foul-smelling and bad-tasting medicines could drive out disease spirits from the body. Purging, which means emptying the bowels, became a common treatment. And they even found the value of raw cocoa and quinine, which are substances that can help with certain illnesses. Saliva, the liquid in our mouths, was considered powerful. They believed that spitting on a person could drive out devils. It was even seen as a compliment if an elder or superior spit on someone. They also believed that certain parts of the human body, like hair and nails, had special powers. The long-growing fingernails of chiefs were highly prized, and the trimmings were seen as a powerful fetish or a sacred object. They even believed that the umbilical cord, which connects a baby to its mother before birth, was a highly prized fetish. In fact, they would preserve it and sometimes even set it with pearls to make it into a necklace. Now let's explore the fascinating connection between our bodies and the ocean. Our primitive ancestors freely circulated in the salty ocean, just as the salty solution in our bodies circulates and bathes each individual cell. It's like the ocean inside us, nourishing and sustaining our life. Lastly, let's talk about hygiene and cleanliness. Our ancestors had different beliefs and practices when it came to keeping themselves healthy. They used objects called fetishes to protect their belongings and market goods. They believed that certain objects had special powers and could guard against theft. They also had purification ceremonies to cleanse themselves after contact with the dead. They believed that light should always be provided for a corpse, and even today, candles are burned in death chambers. They also had beliefs about certain plants and fruits being taboo as food, like the apple. In terms of medicine and healing, they discovered the benefits of water and heat. They used water in various ways to treat ailments, and they believed that sweating could eliminate the spirit causing sickness. They even had natural hot springs as primitive health resorts. Rhythm and music, like the beating of drums, were used to influence the spirits and promote healing. My dear friends, these beliefs and practices may seem strange to us now, but they were an important part of our ancestors' lives. They were trying to understand the world around them and find ways to stay healthy and protected. As time went on, we learned more about the laws of health and sanitation. We discovered the importance of cooking food, practicing good hygiene, and preventing diseases. We have come a long way in our understanding of the human body and how to take care of it. So let us cherish the knowledge we have gained and continue to seek ways to live healthy and fulfilling lives. May we always remember the wisdom of our ancestors and strive to make the world a better place for ourselves and future generations.